Hello, welcome to today's video on how to host your website for free. Now, the website I want to use today is one I created in the last video on how to use developer tools within your browser. I'm just going to pull up the website, and this is it. What we're going to use to host our website today is a site called Netlify. So what I'm going to do is to search for Netlify. To get started with Netlify, you have to create an account if this is your first time. So you use the sign up button. I already have an account, so I'm going to go with login. Now, when you get to this place, if you used your email, you go with your email. I normally log in with my GitHub because I host some of my sites from GitHub. Now it's going to bring me to my dashboard where I can view all my sites that I've hosted in the past. But today we want to add a new site. So we're going to click this button. There are three methods. You can either use the first one, which is when you have your project on GitHub and you want to link it to Netlify. But today we're going to focus on deploying it manually. It then brings you to this interface, and it's so simple. All you have to do is to drag your projects folder onto the website, and it's going to upload that folder for you and bring you to this page. Now, if it brings you to this page, what it means is it's hosted the site for you. So you have to reload to see that the site has been hosted. Now, you either click on this link or click on the picture, and it will bring you to the site that has been hosted. Now, if you want to show someone, or if you want to demo your website to your family or someone that you're working on a project for, this is ideal. So you can share the link that is displayed here, or use this one, however you want to do it. So basically, that's how you host a website for free. If you enjoy my content, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you can see anytime I upload a video, and share.